Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add phone number to Facebook page. If you want people to contact more easily, adding a phone number to your Facebook page is a great idea. So firstly, to get started, you need to open the Facebook app. And from here what you need to do is select this three-lined icon in the top left. Over here you need to go to this settings and privacy and select settings from there. And from here, once you reach into this setting and privacy, scroll a bit down until you go to this audience and visibility. Here you need to go to this profile details. And from here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this contact info and select phone number there. And after that, you need to select add mobile number in the bottom. So over here, you need to simply enter your phone number. And after you're done, you need to select next and follow the on-screen instruction. And that is it. That's how you can add a phone number to your Facebook page. Once it's saved, visitors can use your contact information to reach more easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.